Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about exploring advanced strategies for multi-generational wealth preservation. In addition to wills and trusts, there are several other tools and strategies you can use to preserve wealth for future generations. Here are some notable options: family limited partnerships, FLPs, and family limited liability companies, LLCs. These structures allow family members to pool their assets and maintain control over family wealth while providing limited liability protection. They also facilitate the gradual transfer of ownership to younger generations. Dynasty trusts. A dynasty trust is designed to provide for multiple generations, allowing the preservation of wealth for an extended period. This type of trust can avoid estate taxes for several generations by keeping the assets outside of the taxable estate. Grantor retained annuity trusts, GRATs.